Hello, welcome, what's up guys, I am Mariovit, and in this tutorial I want to show you how to add a description to your YouTube channel. I will show you how to do it, so you may leave like and subscribe, share to others, write a comment, and let's go. So first what you need to do is log in on your account and click on the customize channel. Okay, and now you here have option like basic info, and as you can see, here is channel name and description, and here you may add your description which you want, and later you click on the publish, and you did it. You added description to your YouTube channel, and that's all in this tutorial. So thanks for watching. I have hope that I help you. You may leave like, subscribe, share to others, write a comment. Bye bye, and see you next time. Thanks.